Thank you for stopping by. Let's make native rice known as palm oil rice. I already washed my fish, added maggi, onions, salt, pepper and a little water. So I cooked the fish for 5 minutes. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. What are you waiting for? After 5 minutes, I removed my fish from fire. Time to parboil the rice. After preheating the oven, I placed the cooked fish on a pan to dry fry for 40 minutes. Next, I washed my rice because I don't want it to be very soft while parboiling. In an empty pot, you add your oil, your salt, onions, then stir thoroughly. I allowed my onions to fry for 2 minutes. I added my stockfish to bring out its flavor. Turned it very well, added my spice. I used kitchen glory here. You don't need to use more spice. Minutes later, add your crayfish and pepper and stir thoroughly. Add your green beans. Note, this is optional. If you don't have, don't bother. Now, go in with your fish stock. You can add your seasoning. I use 2 maggi for this. My fish stock already has seasoning inside, so after adding the rice, you have to adjust the seasoning. Add water based on how strong your rice is. Note, you don't need to put too much water. So I added more salt and pepper. If you watch to this point, you are the real VIP. A big shout out to you. I love you. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Added the carrot when the rice was almost done because I like my carrot to be crunchy. So if you don't like crunchy carrots, you can add it early. Then go in with your scent leaf and turn together. Food is ready. Come and join me.